Good morning and happy Tuesday, guys. So I'm going to quickly record a video explaining the writing and reading activities for today. I hope everything went well yesterday. I know there were a couple of hiccups that in the morning trying to get everything together and making sure you understood what you were doing. But overall, I feel like it has been a good day. Let's go over Tuesday's assignments. So we have day 2. We're going to reread the passage, the same passage you read yesterday over light and sound, and keep in mind the writing prompt. So the writing prompt is asking, which do you think is most important in nature? Sound, light, or shadows? Okay. Highlight any important information needed for your opinion essay and begin your Oreo outline. So I have included in your packet of worksheets the exact thing that is here on Google Classroom. I know some of you guys like to read your writing prompt and then you like to highlight things that you think are important that you can use in your writing. That is why I printed it out for you. So go in, reread this entire passage. Think about your writing prompt. What is more important? What do you think we need to survive more? Do we need light, sound, or shadows? What would life be like without sound? What would life be like without light? Think about it, okay? And highlight anything that's important. You need to start your Oreo outline today. I did not include that in your packet. You can use a regular sheet of paper or do it on the back page of this packet that was in your folder, okay? Oreo outline. Remember that you need 2 reasons, at least 2 reasons, and underneath those 2 reasons, you need at least 2 pieces of evidence, okay? So make sure that you are doing your Oreo outline and including all of those things that we've talked about in class. Now for writing on Tuesday, or reading on Tuesday, you have a passage, Cartoons for Grown-Ups. You're going to read this passage to yourself, and notice that over here it says close reader habits. What you do is it says circle words that signal the type of text structure used. Guys, we've talked about this. So if you think it's compare and contrast, I want to see you highlighting words like similarities and differences, okay? So highlight as you go, and it'll help you out a lot when you get to this next page. Then we're going to answer the following questions. You have 3 questions here. It says this question has 2 parts. You have to answer part A in order to answer part B. Okay, so you're going to answer the following questions, part A and part B. Notice it says underline 2 details from paragraph 3 that supports your answer. You have to do it. Make sure you underline them and make sure you're in the correct paragraph, paragraph 3. 2, how is most of the passage organized? Use the Venn diagram on page 223 to compare and contrast details about the 2 shows. A Venn diagram, you guys know what a Venn diagram looks like. It is just 2 circles put together, similarities in the middle, and then the differences on the outside. You are welcome to use a double bubble instead of a Venn diagram here. That is perfectly fine with me. Okay, short response. Use the information in your Venn diagram to explain the overall text structure in the passage. Use 2 details from the passage to support your explanation. Okay, guys, all you're doing is telling me how you know the text structure is either compare and contrast or problem and solution. And then you're just explaining to me how you know that. Okay, what in the passage told you that? Okay, and then we have a short response. Describe the overall text structure. Okay, this is where you're going to write your answer to number 3. Okay, so here's your question. Here is where you write your answer. Okay, if this is not in your packet, but I'm pretty sure it is, if this page is not in your packet, then you are welcome to write it on your own piece of paper or on the back. Okay, check your writing. Make sure you have all of these included. Here's the Venn diagram for you to put your information in based off of the passage here. Okay, so these 2 pages are where you write your answers to the first 2 pages. Okay, you're going to use this page here. Does that make sense? I hope it does. If you have any questions, you just let me know and I'm here to help.